Hey, what's up everybody? Hope you're having a great day. Just going to be a quick video on this 2021 Kawasaki Mule. These plastics love to fade over time. You get some that are real bad. This one's pretty faded on the hood. The fenders look decent but not great, but this dash tends to be the worst. They fade really bad, so I'm going to show you a quick way. You got to be careful, but a quick way to shine it up nice. All right, going to give you a quick once over on this Mule. So that's what it looked like when it was new. There used to be a sticker here, but this is pretty faded. Whole thing looks pretty rough. Now you're not going to get the scratches out of it necessarily, but so this dash, they love to just fade over time. They'll eventually turn a grayish, milky color if you leave them out in the sun long enough, kind of like this right here. They're going to turn even lighter than that the longer they sit. So let's shine it up. But I've got a propane tank and a torch. I'm going to get it going. I'm not going to get right up on it, but I'm going to stay about a foot back, adjust my flame. And I know a lot of folks are going to say this is very dangerous. It probably is. But if you're careful, you should be fine. I've seen folks use a heat gun. I don't. It just takes too long. I like the quicker results. And like I said, you just got to be careful. So we're just going to stay about a foot away from it and get this plastic heated up. And this will work on any type of side-by-side, four-wheeler, dirt bike where the plastics are faded, tractors. You just hit them with some good heat and you should be good to go. With a flame, I should say. I'm just going to start going in a you can see parts of it that got shinier. You just don't want to hold the flame in one spot for too long. But the dash tends to be the biggest difference. So let's check it out. You can see how it gets the wet look and then it will dry. And when it's oxidized really bad, you will see this shine that's on it will stay a whole lot better. Just be careful. Don't hold it in one spot. Look at that. So I've only done half of that glove box, and you can see all this oxidized plastic ends up turning a matte black again. So you can see, look at the difference inside where the handle is, right here. And then that's what it used to look like. I mean, it's not factory again, but it definitely cleans it up. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed this video. This is my way of shining up some dull plastics. It's not the right way, but it's my way. There's multiple ways to do it. Even if you don't want to use heat or flame, you could use Armor All. You could even possibly do a very fine sand on it and polish it up. So I've never tried that, but this is a quick way for me to make some dull plastic look pretty decent again. So if you like the video, if it helped you out at all, even just plain entertainment, that's fine too. Like it, subscribe. I've got more videos coming out. Have a great day. God bless you.